TikTok is now available for Nigerians.
Clap for Jesus! Clap for Jesus! Clap for Jesus!
I won't take much of your time, just 8 minutes and you officially become a TikTok advertiser. Let the countdown begin. Honestly, I'm not here to talk about what I haven't tried. I tried it on one of my content and it moved from having just 7 views to over 2,000 views. And this happened in just a few hours after I set up my TikTok ads. Not only did I gain hundreds of new followers, but I also had tons of views on my videos. In just 3 days, you too can move your TikTok from just 3 followers to over 18,000 followers and go from 0 sales to over 2 million naira in sales. The first thing you need to know right now is that there are over 35 million active Nigerian users on TikTok, spending an average of 52 minutes daily scrolling, watching, and engaging with TikTok content. Imagine how powerful it will be if you can get your advert in front of these millions of engaged audience. So right here and right now, I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step tutorial of how you can set up a high converting TikTok ad. And this specific ad is going to target the Nigerian market. This method will work for you whether you are a small business owner, an online vendor, a content creator, or you are just starting out. TikTok ads can significantly amplify your sales, and I'll be breaking down everything to ensure you maximize your results. Ensure you watch this video all the way through. You'll be needing it. And to make it easier for you, I'll be including timestamps right in the description below, so you can skip to the part of this video that align well with what you need. Now you may ask yourself, why TikTok ads? TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms all over the world right now, with over 1 billion active users globally, and it is growing rapidly in Nigeria. Its ad system is powerful, allowing you to target specific age group, interest, and even behavior. And guess what? It is even much more affordable than Facebook, Instagram, or Google ads. TikTok provides a highly effective and untapped opportunity for businesses and content creators, especially if you are struggling with ad cost on other platforms. Moreover, TikTok algorithm is designed in such a way that it will promote an engaging content. So your ads are more likely to reach not just the people you target, but a wider audience. Another interesting feature is that you are allowed to pay for your TikTok ad with your Nigerian card, and this makes it easier and seamless to run campaigns. TikTok ads allows you to achieve your primary objectives, whether it's boosting your account for more views, followers, profile visits, driving sales through your website, generating leads through phone calls and messages, or promoting your live session. TikTok got you covered. Now let's take a look at the structure of TikTok ad campaign. The structure consists of 3 main levels: the campaign level, the ad group level, and the ad level. At the campaign level, you choose the objective of your overall campaign. At the ad group level, you choose the targeting like age, interest, and so many other things. You can choose behavior, you can choose location, just anything that you can use to specify the kind of audience you want to target. And lastly, at the ad level, you are allowed to upload your creative, that is what people will see that will make them want to engage with your adverts. And the next thing is to leave the rest of TikTok while it serves your advert to the audience you target earlier. Now let's get started with it. Once you are logged into your TikTok account, go to your profile. As you can see on my account, my bio is properly set up with a link, and I've uploaded several videos also. If you are just starting with a new account, be sure to complete your account setup and upload at least 5 videos. Once that is done, tap the 3 lines in the top corner, go to settings and privacy, then to account, and switch to business account. As at the time of recording this video, well, there's no difference between a business account and a personal account. So we are still praying and hoping that TikTok can actually make something unique for business owners and content creators, at least some tools that can differentiate them and make them unique in their own space. We hope this can happen in the nearest future. Next, click on the TikTok Studio option, scroll down and tap on Promote. This takes you to the campaign dashboard where you can choose your goals. You can boost your account for more video views, followers, or profile views, or generate sales by directing people to your website. You can also boost your live section or generate leads for more messages or call. Let's start by boosting video views or growing a followers. Select the content you want to promote, then choose a custom promotion option. TikTok allows you to define your audience, but I prefer to choose my target audience based on interest. I can customize the target by selecting gender, age, for instance, 18 to 55 years old, and interests like education, transportation, financial services, news, entertainment, and business services. After selecting this, click Save. Then move to the next step where you choose your budget. For this ad, I want to spend like 3,000 naira per day for 2 days. The total cost for the 2 days will be around 6,000 naira, but you can adjust the budget to your preference. You will need to recharge if you don't have enough coins to run the ad. I selected a recharge option of 3,000 naira, which will get me 139 coins. After recharging, I can proceed with the payment using my linked MasterCard. And once the payment is successful, the ad will be ready to go live. You will then see the ad being reviewed by TikTok, which usually takes between 5 and 30 minutes. Once approved, your ad will start running. You can track your ad's performance through the dashboard, which shows metrics like video views, new followers, and total spending. It's important to keep monitoring the results so you can optimize your ads. This is how TikTok ads can work for you, especially if you are focusing on growing your followers. Now that you understood the incredible potential of TikTok ads, I will give you an access to a premium course that will guide you through an advanced TikTok ads setup. It is absolutely free, so you have nothing to lose but everything to gain. This course is designed for business owners and content creators who want to attract more traffic, generate more leads, and convert them into massive sales through TikTok ads. It covers the step-by-step process of setting up your TikTok ads, like the ads foundation, ads targeting, the kind of content that will be easily approved, and so on. However, the link to this premium course will be dropped in my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. This is part of the benefit of joining my community of adventurous moneymakers. I will also be going live soon to set up the ads live and direct, while I give an answer to your burning questions. The link is right in the description below. Make sure you click on it to have instant access to this course and some other courses I've been sharing on those channels. Be sure you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to ensure you stay updated for my next blockbuster. Now let me bust your bubble. There's this new platform that pays people simply for watching TikTok videos.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Yes, you don't have to be shocked. Just ask me how and you'll find the answer in the video that just popped next to me right now. Ensure you check it out. Whatever you do, never stop making money.